ProQuest is one useful database platform for finding journal articles to use in your literature review. To find it, go to the Databases tab on the library homepage and search for it by name. The link that you need will be first on the list of results. This is the ProQuest homepage. It's important to note that the library subscribes to a number of different databases via ProQuest. If you're doing a specialized search, it's sometimes helpful to use specific subject databases. You can see from the list here that we cover a variety of different topics. But for this video, we'll keep it simple and search all of our subscribed databases at once. Before starting your search, it's a good idea to log into your ProQuest My Research account to enable useful features. Note that this account is different from your HKBU SSO ID. If you've never used ProQuest before, you will need to sign up for a new account. Useful features include the ability to save items and searches, and we'll look at these in a little bit. Okay, let's head back to the home page. I'm going to start us off with a simple search for parenting styles. This will return a huge number of results, almost 250,000. But since we're interested in scholarly journals, we can also limit our results list to items of this type. We still have quite a large number of results, almost 50,000, so let's look at another way to further focus our searches. First, I'll locate an article from the results list that looks relevant. Here is the item record page. For journal articles, this includes information like the abstract, which will help you determine quickly what the article is about. If you find the article useful, you can save this record to your My Research folder by clicking the Save button. You'll then be able to view the item again later, even if you're logged in with a different device. To focus our search, we can make use of the subject terms in the record. These are specific vocabulary assigned to the article by a trained cataloger. These terms describe precisely what the article is about. Searching with subject terms is an effective way to find relevant results. By clicking on a relevant subject term, the database will show us other articles that have this subject heading. We now have just over 250 results. You can further refine by source type, or alternatively, you can add more keywords to your search. One final useful feature of ProQuest we'd like to introduce in this video is the ability to create search alerts. Using this feature, you can have ProQuest send you an email whenever something new that matches your search criteria is added to any of their databases. This can be very useful for staying up to date with a topic, especially one that you're working on for a period of time, such as over a semester. So the options are very easy to set up. You just need to name your search, set the specific conditions, and then create the alert. So that's it for this brief demonstration. We hope that ProQuest will help you in finding material for your literature review. And remember, you can always come and ask at the library if you have any questions or need assistance with this database.